pretty stable too. BD1. Okay, gotcha. The new one. Solid, stable build. That's good. Does it have any articulation on display? Like, can it be put into an interesting perching or inquisitive, checking something out on the ground kind of pose? Or what's that over there? A pair of small scale models, Death Star and Star Destroyer right on. Was the Bandai ones? Can also look very sad. Okay. If you tilt the head, it looks like it's curious, and it can also look very sad. I see. So it's mostly like the legs. The legs don't really have much range, huh? Pairs well with Wally. Nice. That's cool. You still got that Wally. Legs move in and out. Is it useful articulation, or does it quickly get unbalanced though? Most curious about. No, you're thinking of BB-8. BD1 is the one from Jedi Fallen Order. Haven't tested the limits. Biggest issue would be if you tilt the head back. It comes top heavy. Gotcha. Legs seem to be okay. The head is where the biggest issue is. Okay, huh. I actually expected the opposite. That's interesting. Well, I will be getting mine at some time. Hopefully this week. Really using that Q-tip up. Does come with stems, and you can deploy them. Comes with a little rack of them. Wouldn't say it's Technic heavy. Definitely some Technic elements. Okay. Which sets to start with? Definitely Star Wars. I should do ambush on Ferrix, but then again, I think I probably will go straight to the Inquisitor ship, the Scythe. Not really ship, but transport. I think that's pretty important. A lot of folks interested in it. I'm certainly interested in it. Also looking forward to doing the Justifier soon. I want to see how bad it is, especially for that crazy price. That one deserves some coverage. And I think it's not going to be positive coverage. I want to get and build a 72nd scale X-Wing. Yeah. Can't wait for the Justifier review. Inquisitor, first Star Wars set to sell out at your local Lego shop. I can understand that. Because yeah, it's pretty cool looking. This price is high, but not horrible, I want to say. Unlike the Justifier. The unjustifiable Justifier. Unjustifier. God, that pen was just dropping all the ink out, wasn't it? Making me waste Q-tips over here. Not to mention the ink in the first place. A good one to get out, get reviews out there for more casual audiences to likely stay away. Yeah. I really fear that a lot of people getting a disproportionate, unusually high number of people looking at the Justifier as a purchase want that Cad Bane. Because there are always folks who look at sets for the figures